The next topic in this chapter, the seventh chapter, is about the models of molecules. And to get the models of molecules, we use a software known as Chemical. And using this software, we can create models of molecules and to monitor various methods. So first we will open the software Chemical and then we will familiarize the tools. To open Chemical, from applications, education, Chemical. We will maximize this window. And in the software, we need just 5 tools for drawing the models of molecules. The first tool that we need is the first one, the pencil or the pen shaped one, and it is known as the draw tool. The function is to add and bond to the model to get the atom. In this window, we use the draw tool. The second one, the erase tool. It is used to erase or remove atoms and bonds from the model. And then the next tool we have to use is the orbit XY. This tool is used to turn the models three-dimensionally. And then the fourth tool that we need is set the current element. The use of this tool is to include the atoms of element. When we select this tool, we will get the atoms, all the elements, and from there we have to select. And the last tool we use is set the current bond type. And the use of this tool is to select the chemical bond. So these are the 5 tools we have to use in Chemical. So here we will see how we can get the model of water. And as you all know, water molecules contain, the formula is H2O, and that means it contains 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of atom. So to get that, we have to use the fourth tool, set the current element, and when you click on this tool, you will get this window. And from this window, we have to select the hydrogen atom. So we are selecting hydrogen, and then we have to select the draw tool. And after selecting draw, when we click on this window, we will get the first hydrogen atom. We want 2 hydrogen atoms, to move the cursor and then again click. So we got the 2 hydrogen atoms, and now we need the oxygen atom. So again we have to select the set current element, and then we have to select oxygen. And again when we click, we have already selected the draw tool. So when we click, we will get the oxygen atom. So now we got the 2 hydrogen atoms as well as the 1 oxygen atom. And now we can give the symbol for this. So right click, render, then label mode. Then you have to select element. To get the symbol of these atoms, you have to right click on any of the atom. Then you have to select render, then label mode, then element. And here if you look carefully, you can see O on the red means the oxygen atom and H on the two hydrogen atoms. So this is how we can get the name of the element, not the name, the symbol for that element. And now we have to set the current bond type. So to get the bond type, you have to select the second last one, that is set the current bond type, and when you click you will get this window, and this window shows we can select three different types of bonds: single bond, double bond and triple bond. In this case we are selecting only the single bond. And now we to get that bond we have to drag. So here one oxygen atom should be combined with two hydrogen atoms. So we have to click, we have to start from the oxygen atom. So we have to click and then drag from oxygen to hydrogen, and when you release you will get that bond. Again uh, click on oxygen atom and drag to the hydrogen atom. So now we got the bond, and don't connect the two hydrogen atoms. Only the different types of atoms should be bonded and not the similar ones. And now we have to get the correct shape of this molecule. So for that again we will click, we have to bring the mouse pointer on any atom, then right click, then compute, and from there we have to select geometry optimization, and we will get a window like this. And here we are not changing anything, we are selecting the OK button. So this is the correct shape of the hydrogen atom, sorry, the water molecule. And now if we want we can rotate the model of the molecule. For that we have to select orbit XY and then just drag this, and as we drag we can see it is changing. So like this you can get the the molecular structure of any compound. In the text we have the methane. Methane means one carbon should be combined with 4 hydrogen atoms. The formula is CH4, and then under extended activities, let's evaluate. We have to prepare the model of ammonia. Ammonia, 1 nitrogen should be combined with 3 hydrogen. And then we have to get the model of carbon dioxide. So there 1 carbon atom should be combined with 2 oxygen atoms, and then we have to save its screenshot. So to get the screenshot from the keyboard we have to select print screen. Either you can save it like this, or from applications, accessories, there we have screenshot. And here grab the whole screen. So we have to select screenshot, and here we got this, and here we can give the name. We will give the name as water, and the extension of this will be PNG, The folder that I am selecting is desktop. So after giving the file name and selecting the folder, I am selecting the save. So we have to click on the save button, and now we will see. We will minimize this. Here we got the water.png. We will double click and open that, and we got that. So this is how you will save. To exit from chemical from file, we have to close. Then in this window, we have to give S. The last portion of this chapter is about the software Stellarium. It is a stimulation software providing different sides of the sky. We can set the sky on any day or any time in our computer with the help of this software. This is a very useful software for sky watchers. We can find out the constellation shapes, the name, and the distance between them. There are details of more than 6 lakh stars in this software. And with this, our 7th chapter is over. Thank you.